free. Yes, what you heard is right. Get UPSC content for free. Get editorial analysis, daily current affairs, and essay writing for free. So, get all this content daily from our Telegram group. Join to the channel by clicking on this link given in the description box. And for more information, contact 9000222478. Thank you.
Hello aspirants, welcome to Karthikeya IAS Academy editorial analysis video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the article that is featured in the Hindu newspaper, that is Breaking the Ice. This particular article is explaining about reviving the US-India Trade Policy Forum is a chance to break vicious cycle in economic ties. And also it is mostly you have to take the conditions of economic relations of India and US and other important aspects like trade and also the agenda, you can say the common agenda against Chinese. So on this issue, let's try to answer this question. Critically analyze the potentials of US-India trade in the context of global protectionism and Chinese competition. Sorry, this is competition. So let's try to answer this question now. So this is, you can see the context. The US Trade Representative Catherine Tai and Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal held meeting on relaunched the India-US Trade Policy Forum TPF. Actually, this is US-India TPF, that is Trade Policy Forum. So, while we are talking about this, when we are writing an answer about this, let's start explaining what is US-India Trade Policy Forum. Basically, a trade policy forum is nothing but two parties. That could be the countries, you can say two countries. They come on common grounds, understanding better trade values of each other and cooperating on their on trade according to their potentials. So this could be your introduction, and now let's discuss about the challenges for India-US Trade Policy Forum. Basically, the raised import tariffs and also the withdrawal of benefits to Indian exporters under the US Generalized System of Preferences, that is GSP. If you remember, in 2020, the preference has been got, you can say, US government, that is US government has removed the status of Generalized System of Preferences. So now they are not preferring the country. The exporters of Indian countries, they are not treating specially, and there will be higher excise charges, duties, you can say duties, tariffs, so on. And also the mark American businessmen, the Harley Davidson and Ford have left India and has not helped optics even if their motivation may not have been solely linked to difficult trade forum. They have left the country. And also the Joe Biden administration shutting the door on new trade pacts and being cold on restoring the Generalized System of Preferences, that is GSP. Now in this meeting, the outcome could be revival of the mechanism which can be an opportunity, as this itself is significant because the TPF was lost convened from mechanizations towards a free trade agreement free trade agreement. And to the failure to even reach a mini trade deal, it is a failure, mini trade deal. Towards the latter half of the Donald Trump administration days, this has said that could be considered while nudging India to set targets for tariff reductions, on Indian imports and easing market access across sectors. And also, the TPF statement also outlines that the sectors and goods and services that need quick attention. And you can understand the future possibilities of tariff reduction. That is like a forum resolved to take economic ties economic ties between the two countries to the next high level and exchange views on potential targeted reductions, and also to restore the GSP benefits. The Indian side has sought restoration of the GSP and benefits by the US and said this would help industries from both sides and integrating their supply chain efficiently. And the United States noted it for suitable consideration. That means United States is notifying it as a good deal. And also the social security totalization agreement has made, and the forum also agreed on the significance of negotiating social security totalization agreement in the interest of workers of both countries, and pursuing further engagements and reaching such an agreement. Now let's talk significance of this. This one help in reversal of past misgivings. This is whatever misgivings may have existed at the beginning of the Biden administration, that follows key US secretaries indicates US interest in engaging with India. I mean, the recent summit after the recent meet, it is like the US engagement in India, it is very much interested, the current administration of USA. And also it looks at India as a key partner in rebuilding critical supply chains in post-pandemic world, seeking to cut its dependence on China, is clear from its desire for integration in areas such as health, medical. Let me write here so that it will be easy to remember. Health, medical devices, and in pharma. As you may know, India is now, it is India, I mean world is looking at India as pharmacy of the world. Using such words will give good marks to your answer and good impression. And also the most significant thing is it will boost Indian industry. For example, India's pharma exports account for 40% of US generic drug supply. 40% of USA generic drug supply. And also Miss Tai assuaged its concerns about delays in US regulatory inspections of pharma units. Now let's discuss about the challenges for the future. The first one is India-US trade never really lives up to its potential. It was always India and US trade deals. There will be some break to such deals, either from the USA or from the India. And also India's unpredictable regulatory shifts is one more issue that US look into, and US not continuing its deals. And also the other challenge is tariff and non-tariff barriers. And the final challenge is America's stance on Indian proposal on IPR waivers over COVID-19 vaccine and medicines will be watched at the upcoming World Trade Organization ministerial. So, and now let's conclude with the way forward, that is removing barriers and building supply chains. So, while removing barriers, you have to memorize that spur a more open approach. So, more open approach towards markets, towards a market, to spur a more open approach towards a market, and India must proactively steer away from protectionism, and that is leading the globalized world adrift. And also India has to build supply chain, that is India must seize their fresh initiative with the US to cement its place in the new supply chain being envisaged. That is about the TPF, that is US India Trade Policy Forum. I hope you do like this episode. If you do like this episode, please try to answer this question and also share this video to your friends. Thank you.